Hello everyone, I am Drishti from Calligraphy by Drishti and I have made this video to show you my Itsy Bitsy online shopping. I just received this courier from Itsy Bitsy and I am so excited to open this. Let's do it together. Let's start. To all those who don't know what Itsy Bitsy is an online as well as offline craft store and hobby store. It has 39 outlets in India, but I got it online because it does not have any outlet in my city. So I got Itsy Bitsy products online. Let's do it. This is the package. I haven't ordered much from Itsy Bitsy, but what all I have ordered I'll show you, and I'll also share their feedback when I try these products. This is packaging and these are my products. Let's show you everything. First is this. This is a set of fabric markers. 6 fabric markers: yellow, orange, pink, purple, blue and green. And these are markers for clothes, and I can't wait to try them. I'm going to do calligraphy with these markers on t-shirts, on pants, and I'll surely show you. These are chalk markers. This is for chalkboard calligraphy. This contains purple, pink, red, yellow, green, orange, blue, white, and 3 white markers. This is for doing calligraphy on chalkboard. Let's open this. Ta-da! Now more. I've ordered many things. Okay, not many, few, but metallic wax. This is for engraving. I recently tried engraving, so this is for filling inside the engraved part. I'll show you. I have done engraving on a mug. The MRP says $249, but I got it for $199 each, and this pen is for $4.99. These markers are for $4.99, and these chalk markers are for $8.99. This is all I got from Itsy Bitsy. Show you these metallic bags. One is silver, the other is gold. Let's open this. Okay. Let's see how silver wax looks. This is beeswax with mica powder, I suppose. These items were not available on my nearby stationery, so I ordered them online. This is the silver wax. I'm going to fill on this. I've done this engraving. I'm going to fill the wax in this. This is for what I ordered. Wax. I also got some markers from my nearby stationery recently. This is silver and golden marker. It works on any surface. It even works on glass, plastic, wood, fabric, anything. And one more, I also got this engraver. Actually, this is nail decorator, but this can be used as engraver as well. I got it from my nearby stationery for 600 rupees. It is also available online. This is a charging port. This is the engraver, and these are the tips. You have to just put one tip on this engraver and start working. So this was my Itsy Bitsy haul and what all I got recently. This video was all about it. So meet you in the next video.